The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Pull up on the hanging tab and then pull the old filter from the housing. Clean out any debris in the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. After lifting the glove box, push in on the sides to get the two securing tabs behind the frame. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.